head on over to Barbados for this week's Caribbean music video. Here's Tiney Winey by Joaquan and Krosfyah.
Now you know the way you pass, you do what you tiptoe. My two eyes have to follow. Oh, oh, oh. And when you whine, it's like your head of my time. Your energy is so bright and you shine. Oh, oh. Yeah, I see you dance, girl. I'm in a trance. You're making me lose my balance. How can I make you give me a chance? It's affecting my pride as a man. You're blowing my mind. You're blowing my mind.
International acclaim in the 1990s. We recap the career of Patra in this week's Our Trailblazer feature.
In the late 1980s, she emerged on the musical radar as Lady Patra. After signing with Epic Records in the early 1990s, Patra's career took off internationally. She released 2 major label albums, Queen of the Pack, which was certified gold in America, and Scent of Attraction. Her profile was further boosted when she teamed up with several major acts of the day, including Aaron Hall, Lynn Collins, and rapper Yo-Yo, among others. Patra is one of few female Jamaican dancehall artists who have been certified gold in the US and topped the Billboard Reggae album chart and scored multiple entries on the R&B singles chart. For her major accomplishments in music, we salute Patra as our trailblazer for having excelled in and contributed significantly to Jamaican and international pop music culture.
And before we go, let's count down the Magnum Top 10.
Yeah, hey, money, money, make money, yeah, yeah. Hey, money, money, make money, yeah, yeah. Hey, money, money, yeah.
You know the fight, all the hate, all the lies done me, that's somebody who me love. Push me another time, make a sing another rhyme, cut me now, you good and us in the blood.
Listen and picking a media. In a media. Alright then, and the gala when me fling. Yeah, I'm in a show. They rise and see the sun, you know that it's a win. The fans them say liquid, now I go and do nothing. This a fire where you burn, straight from within. Get your youth, well blessed, calm, mama never.
Still stay strong, still stay strong. Man, straight for my life, me never weak out when the rough days on.
Y'all can't see me a start problem. Them a man clowns and me walk on them. Me no love chat but me a want them. Tell them this a real Shenyang anthem. Now fight no girl over.
Full do you can fight dinner. I know anybody pour my drink. I know anybody buy my dinner. So hard to try like I'm a pay it off. Me feel for rough, pull off your any scarf. Pull up now the streets, me hear them say chop blood. But tell some no if you approach me, them no see some dog. And on that degree.
Every morning a girl in a me bed, that's how me live. To the haters cause me now Cha-cha boy, be a cha-cha ni se gwan we. Cha-cha boy, be a cha-cha ni se gwan. See the flare king.
Mama now go, me now go nowhere. She living it up and she out there, doing it with no fear. Hey, bubble your body for the up top boss. Bad man off on your baby.
And that is how we pull the curtains down on this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna. We leave you with more from Rygin King's Paranoid. See you next week.
Yeah, I know my pain, I know my sorrow. I gotta know now how we get through. So I see every day. Me see that daily, I feel like I'm tired. Daddy, I went to the doctor today, and they said the symptoms spread.
One more shot.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit.